order to understand the behavior of the composite man, you need to understand the concept of liquidity. In the world of smart money, it's important to question the liquidity of the market you're trading. Whether you're trading the Euro USD or Bitcoin or Amazon, liquidity plays a crucial role in a market's functionality. In fact, an ample participation from buyers and sellers is necessary for a market to be considered rich in liquidity. And this is why market makers and smart money often engage in liquidity hunting or liquidity clearouts, which involves extracting liquidity from the market by flushing out weak players. A liquidity clearout is when the price will move just above or below an area where stop-loss orders of retail traders are placed, executing those orders and reversing. The goal of this strategy is to take advantage of the liquidity that is provided by the stop-loss orders of other traders. Liquidity hunting works by identifying areas of high concentration of stop-loss orders in the market